That I've given my IELTS exam like about like 2 to 3 times and I was stuck. I was stuck at 6.5. I was bang on 9 for every other module. But writing just somehow gets all of us. So yeah.
So if you are also facing this problem, then this video is definitely for you. So there is this exam which is making people crazy, especially the people of Punjab and Haryana. And there are two main reasons for the same. The first being they want to go abroad, and second is that this exam is a little tricky. And for that reason, we have with us Prakshi Vashisht. She is a communicator and she's a test taker herself, and she's also trained a lot of people. She has helped people in clearing the IELTS exam. So hello Prakshi, welcome to Stranger Story.
Hi Palak, thank you for having me.
So I got a lot of queries regarding कि please इस पे वीडियो बनाओ कि IELTS को कैसे क्रैक करना है, because a lot of us are stuck at 6.5 or 6. So what is the main reason behind that? Prakshi, can you answer that?
I'll try. So what I think is that most of us, we are good with English. Our grammatical concepts and everything is just top notch. But I think that where we get stuck is the fact that we just don't know what structure to follow. We probably lose our track somewhere while answering the question, and we just go off topic. I won't say off topic, or we get just too engrossed into writing what all ideas we have in mind and forgetting that there's a structure that we need to follow while answering the question. So I think that all the time having that at the back of your mind and sort of creating a blueprint before you start answering the question, before you start writing your answer, I think that's something we should focus on doing. And I think that's one thing where everybody, most of us, are getting stuck.
So that means हो सकता है आपकी English bang on हो 10 on 10 हो, but IELTS में important है structure which you have to follow, which she is going to explain.
So there is a structure that I follow, and I just jotted down. This was just before my last attempt where I did happen to score an 8, and that was when I realized that I need to have a structure which I'll be following no matter what question I'm getting. But this is one structure I need to have in mind so that I am not, while giving my exam, while taking the exam, I'm not getting confused at कितने words हो गए complete या कितने sentences में और या कितने ideas में और इसमें include कर सकती हूँ. So I've just thought of sharing that with the audience, and I'll just try helping them out with this if at all that's possible.
So Prakshi has wonderful tips for you all, and I'm sure you are going to crack your exam next time when you give the exam. So is it for academics and general both?
Yes, because writing task 2 more or less is the same for both. So it's the essay, and it carries about 6 bands, and task 1 carries about 3 bands, be it academic or be it the other one. So of course we need to focus more on writing task 2. So let's start with the introduction. I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I have this amazing digital creator with me. I would want all of you to like, share and subscribe the video, and just keep on watching what she does because she's amazing.
Yeah, and if you need more such videos on IELTS, Prakshi is with me. She will be making more videos.
Send it all to us, and
Yeah, so if you have any query, questions, anything, you can just comment below and she'll be there. I'll be bothering her for all the answers, and she might be making more videos if in case you want that.
absolutely looking forward.